We are now going to be trading live here at Pocket Option. So let's bear with me. I'm just checking that everything is in order. Yes, it seems to be. Cool, we are live. So if you want to trade together with me, typically I trade private, okay? So if you want to trade together with me, I trade typically live every single Monday. Today is a Wednesday, of course, so I typically don't trade on Wednesday. I typically trade every single Monday on Pocket Option. So if you want to trade and learn with me every single Monday, just use the link that you find in the chat, or you can just use the link that you find below the video. There you find all the information about everything I'm doing. It's basically a link tree thingy where you find all the links about everything I do. Okay, so let's now jump over and let's see if we can find ourselves some good pairs, and let's see if we can do also some trading today. I'm not sure how long we will trade today. I'm quite busy today, but nevertheless we will do our best to trade as long as possible, also depending on how many people join this live session, of course. So let's just choose some of these pairs. We try to trade only normal pairs, no OTC today. Now let's see if we can find something else. Let's take this pair. I think that's about it. We can keep with these pairs today. So let's start from the start and let's see if we can find something. So right off the bat, we can see that we have a refusement up here. Let's see if we do that one more time. He didn't, so then I will not mark that area. Let's move on. So what you're looking for is specific areas where we see a strong refusement. And I think I see one here. So let's mark something in matter of there. Don't mind the color scheme or nothing on these things. I'm not going to bother with that in this live session. But yeah, entry between there, I'll find that interesting. So if we come up here now, we will go in with a sell trade with a 1 minute close. Let's see. Let's go. So once again, if you want to trade together with me, I trade every single Monday. Sign up with the link here. I am doing it private live sessions with everyone that sign up. It's free, by the way. The only thing I want you to do is to sign up with my affiliate link for this broker. That's it. Nothing else is required of you to trade and learn from me. So now let's see. So our interest area now, as you can see, it's here. If we get up there again, that is. By the way, if you have any questions, you can just leave it in the chat. As I'm live now, I will check in once in a while if there are any questions and reply to questions that I'm able to reply to. So let's see here now. I did set up quite a lot of counts, by the way, here on this broker. I even forgot some of this money. You can see, wait, we can't lose this thread. Sometimes I talk too much. Very in. My entry did not get in the top where I wanted. You can see I got the entry a little below, but I think we might still get it. While you wait there now, let's see. So as you can see, I made a Forex MT5 with $1,000 there. This is demo account. Here we have a Forex MT4, another one, $1,000 there, another demo. So you can see basically I have 2,200 in two different Forex accounts that I'm not even using. So yeah, now looks like we're getting a win here now. I'm not going to count my money just yet because the entry is not perfect. We just hope that it's good enough. Let's bring up the good old calculator, by the way, because it looks like we're getting a win here now. So that will be $92 profit. That will be a nice start. And we got it. $92 profit. Sweet. So then let's continue. We will continue taking trades here. Let's hope we can get some better entries on the next. Because I prefer when I get entry in between the lines. This time around you see we come a little below, but we were still deep enough into the money, so it's always safe. So a good start. Now let us see if you have something to worry about. Seems like it's going steady sideways market. We like it. And it's a good thing that it came down. He broke down here. I give it a higher probability he will break downwards. This one closed it quite low, so probably he will go downwards now. Yes, so then let's move on. We got our one trade and we're satisfied with that. Let's move on. Let me check if there's someone live here now. Calm for now. I know I'm shadow banned by YouTube, so I know I don't get too many people in my live session, but that is completely fine. It's not fine, but it's completely fine. I understand. So, enough with that. Let's see up here. We do have an upwards trend here, as you can see. Don't look too much on this one. You see here, we're going with a trend upwards. So even if I wanted, I will not trade up here. It's too risky. Actually, we might have a little time if we can get up there very fast, that is. Let's see what we can do. Let's mark this one something like this. And a little steeper, like that. If we then are considering a trade up here, let me mark it, let's see. We have our entry around there. Do you know what? Let's zoom in. We have still some space left here. There will be, of course, a squeeze if we continue following this trend. But for now, let's make one more line. I would say if you can get an entry above, let's say this one. We are happy with the entry between, okay? But I will try to push the bottom if you come up to this white line here. I think we can trade on this bar and one more. After that, I will move on, okay? So let's give it now 2 more minutes to get up here, okay? So let's wait and see. But till now, we have one trade, one winner, so that is fine. We have a $92 profit. He's testing the trend line currently. Seems like he's holding. One thing I find very funny is that you have a lot of YouTubers. Most of them, they are doing the same shit I am doing. And the funny thing is that they are not even true traders like me. They post some videos, edit the videos, they make $1 to $1,000 videos, like bullshit videos where they win basically every single trade. You will never see them do a live like this. But somehow YouTube decide to shadow ban. Shadow ban means that they have not banned my account, but they don't show me to so many users. Can be some of my competition have downvoted a lot of my videos. It's possible that is something like that. But reality, I've received very few views on YouTube lately. And it's so annoying because, to be quite frankly, I am the only one that trade live and really are showing for people that my trading works. and I don't even get people to see it. It annoys the crap out of me. But that is YouTube for you. Now let's see. Okay, okay. Do I like anything here? No, I don't like it. Let's go to the start here. Let's see if we can find something else. See, I got a message. Just see what it is. Okay, okay. Nothing here. Let's move on. Do you know what? This top area here, it's getting a few messages here now. Just see if it's something important or not. Okay, not important. Then let's see. This area up here, it's actually pretty nice. If you got up there again, let's do a sell. Let's see. So if we get up to that level there now, we will sell. So let's see. We have done one trade now. You can see it here. This is from the robot. He did a crazy trade yesterday, but we made good profit. Now let's see if we can get up to that level. Close. He pinned our line in the bottom side. That is not good enough. We need to go into our area. Let's see. Zoom in a little more. So you can see he pinned our line here. Not good enough. We need to come in between here. So let's see if we can get a sell here. If you're tuning in, welcome. You can trade together with me every single Monday. I don't typically have an open session like this. I do all private. So just use the link that you find in the chat or below the video and you can join me for free. I trade every single Monday, 1 hour. Okay. We have taken one trade for now. We are till now $92 in profit. We are now waiting for a sell trade up here. So let's see if we can get it. And here you see the numbers here always. You can see where I put my lines. You can put the lines exactly. But you see it's quite easily to see exactly where I put them because you just put them in top of this green here. And it's a good idea that you put on the same pairs like I have up here. So you have the same pairs. Just put this starting here and you can just put a star on all of them and you can add them in the same manner I have. Because then you can easily jump in between because this is the pairs you're going to trade in this live session. Okay. Now that's it. Just one trade now, but hopefully we get a few more trades so we can build a little money here today also. My win rate is typically around 75%. That is measured over 2 years of live sessions. It's nothing private here. Of course, it's private videos, private lives, but all is done in front of people. So it's not like these YouTubers that can tell you that they have a 100% win rate and they basically edit their videos to get to that type of win rate. Because that's the funny thing, like I said before, you have so much garbage traders that you see even you search in YouTube that get hundreds of thousands of views on their videos, and it's just garbage because they're just making fake videos. Of course, one thing they can have, they are very good to edit videos to make it so people get engaged to see it. Sadly, I'm not so good there. But what I do, at least, I do live, so you can copy me while I'm trading if you want to, of course, or you can learn the way I'm trading. But that is something that YouTube don't find value in, so they don't give me that much views. So now let's see, we have another area all the way up here. We're a little far away currently, but I do like this area up here. So if we can get up there, that's something. So we can see if we get up there a little later. Let's see this one. Here basically I see nothing. Maybe a run up here also can be something, but we are very far away now. We are in an upwards trend here now, but it's very slow. Eventually, maybe in 20 minutes he might get up here. We can mark it at least. So we also need then to mark the trend, of course. So let's do that. So I don't like this marking tools they have for this broker. It's okay. So area of interest actually came exactly there. Cool. Let's take one more. And let's drag one up there. So our interest area is basically up here. You can see that he will eventually. Wait. Like I said, I hate this system that I have here. It's so ugly. Difficult to mark things, but around there. So you see, eventually, if we continue with this trend, he will eventually get up there. But the problem then is that we see he's moving very tight. So that means there also will be squeeze, that I call it. So he will be squeezed in between the resistance and the trend line, and he will need to choose either he will break down or break up from this area. So, but let's say we will see, maybe we can get in 1 or 2 trades up there when that time comes. Let's move in. Okay, he chose to break this trend here. Now let me see if we can have something trading the downside here. No, I don't like it. Let's move on. Here we have a trend also. This could have been a nice air ticker trade, but as you see, the trend is going upwards. We are now currently in a squeeze between the resistance here and the trend line, so he will need to choose either to break to the upside or to the downside. So learn yourself to see these trends, because that can really help you. Like here we have a double squeeze with trend. If it was easier to mark this trend lines, it will be much easier to mark it. Will not use so much time. But basically what we're seeing here now is something like this. Let me see if you can. There, good enough. You see, we have from a squeeze, the trend line then go upwards and trend line go downwards. So now you're forming a squeeze in between here. Okay, let's move on. Nothing here. Nothing here. So then now just one trade. A little boring, like I said, but nothing you can do about it. Okay, he chose to break through this. Okay. Okay, we are getting closer now to our trading lineup here at least. Maybe we can get a trade there. Let's see. If I don't see any more activity on YouTube, I will put this live session short. I would wish to get at least one more trade. Let's see. Okay, now we are getting there maybe. He's going a little up. So if we can get up to this line there, we will take a trade. Like I said, I trade live normally every single Monday. You are free to join me. Now you can see this line here, what I'm looking for. While I made this white line there, that is basically where I will push down. Our target is to get an entry in between these 2 green lines, but just for getting a better entry, I will take a push when I get to this white line there. What I do like here is that you can put this thing here, tingling, so you get more like a alarm thingy when you get into a special area. So that could be, for example, if we break that area, for example, then will come alarm for us. So we can now move this shit over here. So when you come alarm, we can just jump fast over here and do a trade. So I can now don't need to be sitting looking, waiting. We can just look other pairs, and we'll jump up alarm for us if we come past a specific area, and we can jump fast over here and take trades. Cool, right? So now let's see. continuing. See, he's respecting beautifully this trend line. That's taking his time to get up there. Well, let's see. We have a steep trend here, so we can't trade here either. Okay, he chose to broke the upside. We do have an area up here. I'll take a trade down here. I'll explain why. We take a entry from there. Let's make one more. And down there. So now let's see how this will play out for us. Well, we can see what's going on here. I did put alarm. He never did come up to this alarm area, but he might get there now. Let's see. There, you see here, price level reach. That means now it's interesting to follow. And what we like to do is to take a trade in between the slides up here. Let's see. Euro against dollar trade we have is currently there, we're in profit. Cool. Let's see. I hope it's keep that way. Because then we have two trades, two winners. That would be sweet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. We got it. Another freaking winner. So plus 84. So we are now $176. You see here, two winners. Is breaking down. Let's go back here to see if we can get more. No, I don't like what he's doing, so I don't want to trade more here, but at least we won it. Now here, I always look a little to the left to see like if you have something that could be showing me that this could be an area, but it's not. Let's go back here. Let me see if there's someone interesting to follow me. Don't seems like it. As I don't see so much interest about this live session right now, of course I did just jump in. I did not tell anyone that I was going to do this live session like this, to keep it open for everyone and all this type of things. But by the way, we traded 22 minutes now. As you can see, we did two winners. So what you can take out of this, we have a good win rate and it's very easy to follow. So what I want you to do, in the chat, if the chat shows for you, you find a link. If not, you find also a link below the video. You can join me. I trade live every single Monday and you can copy my trades, learn from me, ask me questions, all this good stuff. And you also can start to make money with Pocket Option. So what do you say? It's completely for free. The only thing I ask from you is that you use my affiliate link. In that way I make a small money every single time you are trading. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day and make sure you sign up and join me so I will trade together with you, and I will teach you how to trade binary option at Pocket Option. Have an amazing day.